Hi guys, and welcome to our online portion of the class. It looks like many of you have already used Canvas, which is the platform that we're using for our class, the online platform, so that's good because you're familiar with it. So this video is just going to go over what's happening in week 1 in the lab. And again, our course is half online, half face-to-face, so when you're not in class with me or with your community, what you'll do is you'll hop online and you will complete the weekly work. We're lucky that we have a lab so we can go over some of the work together in case there's any confusion or in case you need some help with something. It's a really great opportunity for us to connect and go over the material face-to-face if you need a little bit of assistance. So here's our homepage, and what I put on here is links to a series of tutorials that are helpful with online learning. If you are wanting support or needing support to help you navigate online, you're going to go ahead and click on one of these links and see if you want to take an online tutorial. Some of them are quick and some of them take longer, so you have to decide what your needs are, how confident or comfortable you are online, and then go from there. If you're not sure, you can ask me and I can go over it with you. But again, sometimes it's just intuitive. You can click through it and see what you find interesting and then go ahead and take it from there. If you scroll down, so the number one rule on our homepage and really in online learning is keep scrolling down, because oftentimes that's where you're going to find more information. So we have important class links here, and these are kind of the go-to links if you feel like you're wanting some direction or needing to know where to go. So if you have a question, you're going to post it here to the question link. It goes to the discussion question. If you're wondering about the syllabus, you're going to go ahead and click here. There's other places where the syllabus and the questions are located. If you look over here on the left side of the screen, you're going to see this is our navigational tool here. And so this will link you to all the different links that you find in the homepage. Anything that you find listed here, you can also link through our specific little tabs here. So the discussions are here, the modules are here, the syllabus is here, all that good stuff. So again, take your time, cruise around, see what you need. Where you're actually going to start is Unit 1 and Module 1. You're going to go ahead and click on it. And what you'll see is everything that's happening for each week. These are the discussions that are happening. And so for week number 1, we have 2 different discussions. We have syllabus and class reflection. So you're going to click on the syllabus link here. It will open up separately and you can go ahead and click on the tab to open it up in a Word document. And what you'll do is you will just cruise over the syllabus, you'll read over the information, maybe take some notes if you have some questions. I will give you a hard copy of this beautiful syllabus next week in class and we'll talk about it together. So it breaks down the grading assignments and the expectations of the class. Then it has different resources on there for whatever your needs are. So it's really important, number 1 rule in class is that you feel safe. And feeling safe means having your needs met. So identifying what those needs are and then having them met. So again, that's just a link to the syllabus. After you read over the syllabus, you are going to post a comment. You'll follow the directions here. There's 2 different options. So basically you're talking about the syllabus. You're talking about your hopes, fears, and expectations for the class. Or you can post a video of yourself. There's a link for how to do that right here, another video. But if you're when you're ready to reply, so we have Philip posted here, you're gonna click reply. And then you're gonna go ahead and type in what you want. If you'd like to make a video, then you're gonna click on the video option here in the bottom. So again, that's totally up to you. When you're ready to post, you click reply. If you get lost, you go back to the home page. That's what I do. I always just kind of go back. It's easy to toggle wherever you want to go from there. Back to Unit 1, Module 1, and then again, Week 1, Discussion 2 is what is your writing life like? So we talked a little bit about your views on writing in class this week, and now we're going to push that a little bit further. So we have 3 bullet points below. You're going to post at least 3 solid paragraphs of each one, 1, 2, and 3. Take your time and read through the questions and then post your response. Make sure in all of the discussions that you're reading another student's post and you're responding to at least one other classmate. So you can see Mercedes here has already posted. So again, if you're not sure, you can look at what other people are doing. But that is week 1. So I'm going to make it a little bit easier while I'm on this video with you, and I'm going to go ahead and click on our home page. I'm going to edit it just a little bit, and I'm going to put week 1. And then I'm going to go ahead and make that the first class link. And I'll just link it to the discussions here. So sometimes that's a little bit easier for writers when you kind of just know exactly when it points exactly to what you're doing. And so there we have week 1, 2 discussions, if it makes it a little bit easier for you guys. And there you go. So again, online tutorials, and then we've got week 1. I hope you have a wonderful time exploring online, and I will see you in the lab.